It's a major judgment that has been handed down by the Supreme Court of India by a bench led by Chief Justice of India, Justice DY Chandrachud. The fact that this is a constitution bench judgment adds more weight and credence to it. Well, simply put, the top court has said that there is no special sovereignty that the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir really enjoyed by the mere fact that there was an accession treaty that was signed between the Union of India and the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. What are the key implications of this crucial unanimous verdict handed down by the Supreme Court? Number one, ever since independence, there is a perennial debate going on in this country about what is the status of Jammu and Kashmir. Does it really enjoy a similar status like other states, or it really had a special status which was part of the bargain when it acceded to the Union of India? The Supreme Court today has put that entire matter to rest for good. There was no special status or sovereignty per se that was enjoyed by the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. Article 370 and the other provisions of the Indian Constitution that served as an aid to the interpretation was only to ensure that Jammu and Kashmir, the erstwhile state, enjoyed an equal status. The context in which the erstwhile territory had acceded to India is also very important. The court has put the record straight for the times to come, not just legally but also politically, that the integration of Jammu and Kashmir to the Union of India is full and complete, legally, politically and constitutionally. After 5th of August 2019, today is the day to be remembered, because that action of the central government that was much criticized, there were various arguments that were made that this is a subversion of the Indian Constitution. Today, the top court has laid down the law of the land as the final arbiter of the Indian Constitution. And the law is that merger of the territory with India is complete. The second key argument, which is that the statehood is to be accorded to this particular territory. Right now, 2 union territories have been carved out and Jammu and Kashmir must get the statehood. There is a time frame which has been set, September 2024, that's the time that has been decided. By that time, a full statehood ought to be restored, at least the elections ought to be conducted. Now, there is a slight technical difference between what a statehood is versus a holding of elections. However, there is a process of delimitation that needs to be done and various other procedures that need to be completed. However, the verdict of the Supreme Court puts that entire historical, political and legal debate to rest. Jammu and Kashmir is part of India like any other state. The accession is complete. There is no internal sovereignty per se that the particular territory enjoyed. It had similar rights like any other state in the country, and that debate has been put to rest.